Do you struggle with too much kitchen clutter? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to talk about a simple product that can really help organize your kitchen here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granok. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field, and I have to tell you that kitchens are one of my most requested jobs when people are struggling with disorganization. And when it comes to kitchen clutter, visibility is a key step to getting organized. So it doesn't matter if you've got clutter in your fridge, your freezer, your pantry, the cabinets, the countertops. One product out there really can help solve the problem of poor visibility. And it's a simple product known as a Lazy Susan. They're inexpensive and they're basically a spinning tray that makes everything easier to find. Now, spinner trays or Lazy Susans, they come in all different sizes and they come in different materials. So this is a common version here in this photograph, but they're also made of different materials. Like you can get them made out of wood, you can get ones that look like they're out of marble. You can find all kinds of Lazy Susans at any of your favorite big box stores or of course an online store like Amazon. So what is a Lazy Susan? Well, it spins around in a complete circle. And that way, anything that you have on the Lazy Susan, it's never truly in the back. All you do is spin it around to find the thing that you need. Quickly and easily. So what can you use a Lazy Susan for in the kitchen? So many different ideas. So in the refrigerator, for example, if you put one in the refrigerator, I know I struggle sometimes with seeing what has fallen or gotten pushed to the back of the fridge. You don't want to do that. You have expired food before you know it. So you can put some of your sauces, condiments, spreads, and again, you just spin it around and get the thing that you need. And nothing ever truly gets shoved to the back of the fridge and gets lost in the vortex. Now, in a pantry, in those hard to reach corners, Lazy Susans can be really helpful. So in this photograph, you can see that it's a great tool to corral different things like your different sauces, maybe different oils, even some of your seasonings and spices. And of course, on a countertop, you can use a product like this version of a Lazy Susan to take care of those frequently used utensils and other kitchen gadgets that you don't want to put them away because you use them all the time. Lazy Susans are great for corner cabinets. Those can be hard to reach the items that you want. This makes it, again, easier to access what you need. And in this photograph, you can see that not only do Lazy Susans come in single layers, but you can get multi-tiered as well. This is a double-decker version. So now that you know about Lazy Susan products, how are you going to use them to get organized? Are you already using them to get organized? Where do they help you the most? I would love to hear from you, so sound off in the comments below. I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday, so be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.